Leon. Show all my list.
You do not have any list.
Add 7 potatoes, 1 kilogram of rice, bread to the shopping list.
The following have been added to your shopping list: 7 potatoes, 1 kilogram of rice, bread.
Complete rice from my shopping list.
Keep going. I completed the following from your shopping list: 1 kilogram of rice.
Check bread from the shopping list.
Keep going. I completed the following from your shopping list: bread.
What is in my shopping list?
Here are the in-progress elements of your shopping list: 7 potatoes. Stay motivated. And here are the completed elements of your shopping list: 1 kilogram of rice, bread.
Create a movies list.
Alright, I've created the movies list.
Add Captain America Civil War to my movies list.
Alright, I added the following to your movies list: Captain America Civil War.
What are my lists?
You have 2 lists. Please let me list them for you. Shopping, with 3 elements in it. Movies, that contains 1 items.
Rename the movies list to cinema.
I renamed the movies list to cinema.
Check Captain America from the cinema list.
Well done. The following have been completed from your cinema list: Captain America Civil War.
What is in my cinema list?
You do not have in-progress element in your cinema list. And here are the completed elements of your cinema list: Captain America Civil War.
Uncheck Captain America from my cinema list.
I uncheck the following from your cinema list: Captain America Civil War.
Please tell me what is in my cinema list.
Here are the in-progress elements of your cinema list: Captain America Civil War. Stay motivated. And you do not have completed element in your cinema list.
Delete my cinema list.
I deleted that cinema list and all the to-dos it was containing.
Show all my list.
You have 1 lists. Please let me list them for you. Shopping, with 3 elements in it.
Thanks.
You are too polite with me.